Dear friends, dear devotees, I am going to explain about Bhagavad Gita. In the Mahabharata, we can see Bhagavad Gita is a part in the Mahabharata. Bhagavad Gita says by Sri Krishna towards Arjuna in the war time. Bhagavad Gita includes so many valuable ideas for men's and women's better living. Sri Krishna is one of the important reincarnation of God. I am going to start Bhagavad Gita. Om Sri Paramatmane Namah. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Adaha Pradhamadhyayaha. Chapter 1. Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveda Yutsava Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Imakurvat Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra said, Sanjaya, gathered on the holy land of Kurukshetra, eager to fight, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do? Sanjaya Uvacha. Drishtva Pandavanikam Vyudam Duryodhana Astada Ajarya Uvasangamya Raja Vajanam Abravit. Sanjaya said. At the time of seeing the army of the Pandavas drawn up for battle and approaching Dronacharya, King Duryodhana spoke the following words. Pashyadam Panduputranam Ajarya Magadim Chamum Vyudam Drupadaputrena Tava Sishyena Dhimala. Behold, O revered master, the mighty army of the sons of Pandu and Pandu arrayed for battle by your talented people, Drishtadhyumna, son of Drupada. Atras Shura Mageshwasa Bhimarjuna Sama Yudhi Yudhano Viradascha Drupadascha Magarada Drishtageduscha Idan Kashirajascha Viryavan Purujit Kundi Boja Ascha Shaivyascha Naravungava Sudhamanyuscha Vikranta Uttamojajna Viryavan Saubhadro Drupadavascha Sarva Eva Tagasta. There are in this army heroes wielding mighty bows and equal in military prowess to Bhima and Arjuna, Satyaki and Virada, and the Magaradi, warrior chief, Drupada, Drishtaketu, Segidana, and valiant king of Kashi, and Purujit, Kundiboja, and Saibya, the best of men, and a mighty Yudhamanyu, and a valiant Uttamajwa, Abhimanyu, the son of Subhadra, and 5 sons of Draupadi, all of them Magarathis, warrior chiefs. अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये धान्यबोध द्विजेतं नायका मम सैन्यस्य संख्यार्थ ताब्रवीमि ते. O best of Brahmanas, know them also who are the principal warriors on our side, the generals of my army. For your information, I mentioned them. Anyeja Bhagava Sura Madardi Tyakta Jivida Nana Shastra Prakarana Sarve Yuddha Visharada. And there are many other heroes, all skilled in warfare, equipped with various weapons, and missiles, who have staked their lives for me. Avaryaptam tadasmakam belam Bhishma Virakshidam Paryaptam Tvida Medesham belam Bhima Abhirakshidam. This army of ours, fully protected by Bhishma, is unconquerable, while the army of theirs, guarded in every way by Bhima, is easy to conquer. Ayaneshuja Sarveshu Yada Bhagam Vastida Bhishmameva Abhire Ekshantu Bhavantaka Sarva Yavaki. Therefore, stationed in your respective positions on all fronts, do you all guard Bhishma in particular on all sides. Tasya Sanjanya Ankarsha Kuruvradva Pidamaka Simganadam Vinat Dyochai Shanka Dhatmo Pradabhavan, the grand old man of the Kaurava race, their glorious grand patriarch Bhishma, cheering up Duryodhana, roared terribly like a lion and blew his conch. Tadaga Shangascha Bharyascha Panavan Kagomukha Sagasaivabhya Hanyanda Sa Shabdastu Mulo Bhavat. Then conchs, kelter drums, tabards, drums, and trumpets blared forth all at once, and the noise was tumultuous. Tadaga Sede Kya Yayurte Magadi Shandini Stidau Madhavaka Pandavaschaiva Divyo Shango Pradatnudaha. Then seated in a glorious chariot drawn by white horses, Sri Krishna as well as Arjuna blew their celestial conchs. Panchajanyam Rishi Kesho Devadattam Dhananjaya. Pandram Dharmau, Mahashanka, Bhimakarma, Pragodara. Sri Krishna blew is a conch named Panchajanya, Arjuna, the Devadatta, while Bhima of a terrific valiant deeds blew is a mighty conch, Poundra. Anandavijayam, Raja, Kundiputro, Yudhishthira, Nagula, Sakadevascha, Sugosha, Manipushpakau. King Yudhishthira, son of Kundi, blew is a conch, Anandavijaya, while Nagula and Sakadeva blew theirs, known as Sagosha and Manipushpaka, respectively. Kashyascha Parameshwasa Shigandija Maharada Drishtadhyumno Viradascha Satyagischa Parajitaha Drupado Draupadeyascha Sarvasha Aprativibade Saubhadrascha Mahabhagu Shankandmu Pradak and an excellent archer, the king of Kashi, and Shigandi, the Maharadi, the great chariot warrior, Drishtadhyumnu and Virada, and invincible Satyaki. Drupada, as well as the 5 sons of Draupadi, and a mighty armed Abhimanyu, son of Subhadra, all of them, O Lord of the earth, severally blew their respective conchs from all sides. Sagosho Dhartarashtrana Hridayani Vedarasya Nabascha Pratyum Chaiva Tumilo Venu Nadayan, and a terrible sound echoing through heaven and earth rent the hearts of Dhritarashtra's army. Ataga Vyavastida Andrishtva Dhartarashtrain Kabidvaja Pravarte Shastra Sambade Denu Viruddhamya Pandava Rishikesham Tada Vakyamida Magibade Arjuna Uvaja Senayorubayo Armadye Radam Stabaya Me Vichyuda. Now, O Lord of the earth, seeing your sons arrayed against him, and when missiles were ready to be hurled, Arjuna, who had the figure of Hanuman on the flag of his chariot, took up his bow and then addressed the following words to Sri Krishna. Krishna, place my chariot between the two armies. Yavadeda Aniri She Geham Yoldhu Kaman Vastidana Kairmaya Sag Yodha Vyoma Asmiranas Mudhyame, and keep it there till I have carefully observed these warriors drawn up for battle, and have seen with whom I have to engage in this fight. Yosyamanana avekshegyaham ya yadektre samagadaha Dhartarashtrasya Durbeyudde Priyaji Jigirshava. I shall have a look at the well-wishers of evil-minded Duryodhana in this war, whoever have assembled on side and are ready for the fight. Sanjay Uvaja. एवमुक्तो ऋषिकेशो गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखदा सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यतान्से अमे वेदा अङ्गुर नीति. Sanjaya said, O king, thus addressed by Arjuna, Sri Krishna placed the magnificent chariot between the two armies in front of Bhishma, Drona and all the kings, and said, Arjuna, behold, these Kauravas assembled here. Tatra pashyasthidan Partha Pidrunat Pidamakan Acharya Madhula Abrad Adre Nutra and Pautra and Sakistada Sosuransu Sugrada Staiva Sena Yoruba Ayorabi. Now Arjuna saw stationed there in both the armies his uncles, granduncles, and teachers, even great-granduncles, maternal uncles, brothers, and cousins, sons, and nephews, and grand-nephews, even so friends, fathers-in-law, and well-wishers as well. Tasyamikshya Rasa Kaundeya Sarvabandhuna Vastidan Kribaya Paryavishto Vibi Adhanya Dhamabravit. Seeing all the relations present there, Arjuna was overcome with a deep compassion and spoke thus in sorrow. Arjuna Uvacha Drishtavayam Visajanam Krishna Yursu Samuvastidam Sidandi Mama Gatrani Mukam Ja Parishusyadi Avaduscha Sarire me Ryomagarshascha Jayade. Arjuna said, Krishna, as I these kinsmen ride for battle, my limbs give way and my mouth is getting parched. Nay, a shiver runs through my body and hair stands on end. Gandivam srasade hastatva achaiva paridakhyade naja shagnomya vastadum brahmadiva ja me managa. The bow Gandiva slips from my hand and my skin too bends all over. My mind is burning as it were, and I can no longer hold myself steady. Nimittani chavashyami viparidani keshav naja swayognu pashyami hatva svajana ma akave. And Keshava, I see omens of evil, nor do I see any good in a killing my kinsmen in battle. Na kankshe vijayam Krishna naja rajyam sugani ja. Kim no rajyena govinda kim bhogerji videna va. Krishna, I do not covet victory, nor kingdom, nor pleasures. Govinda, of what use will kingdom or luxuries or even life be to us. येषामर्थे कडाक्षितं नो राज्यं भोगा सुगानि च ता इमे ग्वास्तिदयो युद्धे प्राणा सयित्वा धनानि च आचार्या पितरा पुत्रस्तैव च पितामहा मातुला सुसुरा पौत्रा शाला सम्बन्धिनस्तदा those very persons for whose sake we covet the kingdom, luxuries and pleasures, teachers, uncles, sons and nephews, and even so grand-uncles, maternal uncles, father-in-law, grand-nephews, brothers-in-law, and other relations are here arrayed on the battlefield, staking their lives and wealth. Yadan handamichami chado yabi madhusudana abhi trailokya rajyasya hodo kimnu mahigrade. O slayer of Madhu, I do not want to kill them, though they may slay me, even for the sovereignty over the three worlds, how much the less for the kingdom here on earth. Nigatya Dhartarashtan Kapridi Sejjanardan Pabamevasra Yedsman Tuida Anadada Taina Krishna, how can we hope to be happy slaying the sons of Dhritarashtra? By killing even these desperados, sin will surely accrue to us. Tasmannarha vayam handum Dhartarashtra ansva bandhavan Swajanam hi kadam hatva suginaga syama madhava. Therefore, Krishna, it does not behove us to kill our relations, the sons of Dhritarashtra, for how can we be happy after killing our own kinsmen? Yadyapede na pashyanti lobhat chedasa kulakshayakridam dosham mitradroheja padakam kadam na nyeya masmabi pabadasma aniva artidum kulakshayakridam dosham prabhashya adbi Arjanardhan. Even though these people with their mind blinded by greed perceive no evil in destroying their own race and no sin in treason to friends, why should not we, O Krishna, who see clearly the sin accruing from the destruction of one's family, think of desisting from committing this sin? Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanadana dharme nashte kulam kasnam dharmo orgi ebi bhavatyuda. Age-long family traditions disappear with the destruction of a family, and virtue having been lost, vice takes hold of the entire race. Adharma abhibhava Krishna pradushyanti kulastriya स्त्रीषु दृष्टासु वर्णेय जायते वर्णसङ्करः with the preponderance of vice. Krishna, the women of the family become corrupt, and with the corruption of a woman or descendant of Vishnu, there ensues an intermixture of castes. Sankaro Naragayaiva Kulagnana Kulasya Padanti Pidaro Hasham Lupta Vindoda Akriya Pogani owing to promiscuity damns the destroyers of the race as well as the race itself, deprived of the offerings of a race and water, Shraddha, Tarpana, Yastra. The mains of their race also fall. Doshe Redai Kulognanam Varnashankara Karagai Utsadyante Jadi Dharmaga Kuladharmascha Shashwadaga. Through these evils bringing about an intermixture of castes, the age-long caste traditions and the family customs of the killers of kinsmen get extinct. Ussannagula dharmanam manishyanam janardana naragegniya adam vaso bhavadityanu susrum. Krishna, we hear that men who have lost their family traditions dwell in hell for an indefinite period of time. Ago beda Magad Pabam Kartum Vivasida Vayam Yadraj Suga Lobet Handum Sojana Mudyadaha. Oh, what a pity! Though possessed of intelligence, we have set our mind on the commission of a great sin, that due to lust for throne and enjoyment, we are intent on killing our own kinsmen. Yadi mama pradigara ama shastram shastrapana dharmarashtra Dhartarashtra Rene Hanyun Tanme Shemadaram Bhavet. It would be better for me if the sons of Dhritarashtra, armed with weapons, kill me in battle while I am unarmed and unresisting. Sanjay Uvacha Eva Muktvarjuna Shanki Redobasta Ubhavishada Visrijya Sasharam Chavam Shogasam Vigna Manasa. Sanjaya said, Arjuna, whose mind was agitated by grief on the battlefield, having spoken thus and having cast aside his blow, and the arrows sank into the hinder part of his chariot. Om Tassadit Srimad Bhagavad Gita Subanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastri Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yoge Nama Pradhamodhyayaka. Thus in the Upanishad, sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna ends the first chapter entitled The Yoga of Dejection of Arjuna. Thank you to all.